Watercolors have always been my favorite medium to work with, but my real passion is creating new designs to paint with my watercolors. Each new composition requires a different painting strategy, and I never get bored trying to figure them out. But the real challenge starts before I add any paint, and that's bringing my imagination to life on the paper. And this is something that I teach how to do in my art academy. In there, artists are learning how to identify the elements of art and how to use them in order to bring their own ideas to life in their artwork. This is a learned skill that is often skipped and can be tricky to understand, but is worth taking the time to develop because it will unlock infinite possibilities in your own designs. And if you would like to learn more on how you could create original artwork, join me for my upcoming workshop where I'm going to give you actionable steps that you can take now in bringing your own ideas to life in your art.